Alrighty, here's how to make your own version of ChatGPT using OpenAI. The tool you're going to be using is bubble.io. It's a super powerful no-code app builder, and they actually have a full tutorial and a template you can work off of to build your own ChatGPT. If you just Google how to build a ChatGPT clone without code, you're going to get this article. It's written by Bubble, and they fully document the whole system. You create a Bubble account, and you get started. Super cool. We're going to be using Microsoft Azure's OpenAI service for the actual system. So you're going to sign up for Microsoft Azure. And then they have a template, Azure OpenAI Service Chatbot, that you're going to use. It's got everything set up for you. All you need to do is plug in your Microsoft account. It even has a little database on the back end with a list of messages, and you can see that all once you publish this. But it's all done for you, and they have a series of workflows, so when the submit button is clicked, it calls the API. Super duper simple. And then you upgrade up here to deploy, and you can deploy it to your own custom domain for $32 a month, or you can leave it here on $0 a month for the basic plan, and use it as a preview. We can preview it right here, and you can send this link to people as well. It's pretty cool.